Continue with geometric sequences. We did this yesterday. The whole front side is the same, the back side is different. Okay? So if we look at number one, okay, they are alternating, right? It goes from positive, negative, positive, negative. So I know that I should be, this one, they want you to determine if it is. So you have to check every one, okay? So 256 divided by 64 is what? Negative 4. 64 divided by negative 16. Negative 4. Okay, and negative 16 divided by 4. Negative 4. So is this a geometric sequence?
Yes.
Yes. What is the common ratio? Negative 4. Okay. How do we know if it's geometric?
It has the same number.
Every single one has the same number. That's why you got to check them all. Don't just assume because the first two are 4 that the last one is. So make sure that you're checking them. Okay. However, if you get 4 for the first one and 2 for the second one, then just stop. The answer is no. Okay. Negative 24 divided by negative 12. 2. Negative 6 divided by negative 12. Or, no, shit, I said that wrong. Negative 12 divided by negative 6. 2. And then negative 6 divided by negative 3. 2. Is this geometric? Yes, with a common ratio of 2. Perfect. Okay, 5. Negative 8 divided by, or negative 10 divided by negative 8. You gotta do big divided by small. It is not 2 if you're looking at it and thinking 2. One point what? 1.5? 25. Okay, negative 8 divided by negative 6. $4.3? 1.3? No, that's not it? No, I feel like you guys are not. Give me the damn calculator. .25. 1.6. Okay. So this is going to be a no. Now, it looks like it would be a yes. Why does it look like it would be a yes?
Because they're going down by 2.
They're going down by 2s, but that is, when we say going by 2s, that means addition or subtraction. And we're doing multiplication or division, okay? So, check them on the calculator, okay? Because your brain is going to be like, yep, right? Mine did 2 because I seen, 4, 6, 8, 10. And you would assume when you divide the two numbers, because there's only 2 pieces apart, that they would be the same for every time. And you even said 1.2, 1.2, right? Because our brain is like, thought to think that, okay? So, double check it on the calculator. Okay, find the next 3 terms in the sequence. So, is this geometric? Yeah, it has to be, okay? So, all you need to find is 1, okay? So, 1 times what is going to give me 3? 3, okay? And we can see here that this is negative, 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 so this should be a positive number. Okay, so you're going to say negative 27 times 3. Negative 81 times 3.
Negative 243.
And times 3.
Negative 729.
Okay, look at 9. What is the common ratio? 5. -4 times 5 is going to give us that -20. Okay, so -500 times 5.
2,500.
-2,500 times 5.
-4,500.
Okay, and then times 5 again.
$62,500.
62500.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, flip it over. Start working on the back. Oh, there's one more old one on the back, and then the rest are going to be the new. Okay, so 11. What is that common ratio? 5. Okay, so 375 times 5.
1875.
1875. Okay. Times 5.
9375.
9375. 46875. Okay, that is everything that we did yesterday. So if you were not here yesterday, and if you are new to my class, you can see that today's sheet is labeled up in the, is that right? Up in the right-hand corner says ID 2. Yesterday's was ID 1, so you would go to the black box and get ID 1. Okay, and it is all of the stuff we just did. Okay, if you are not on 13, get on 13. This is the new stuff, okay? So first of all, obviously read the instructions. It says find the common ratio, okay, which we already know how to do, okay? If we can find the common ratio, that means it is geometric, okay? And then they want you to name the term and the name problem, okay? So, and there is a formula for this, okay? First of all, write down the formula on your sheet. Okay, so it says A to the R to the N minus 1. Okay, and the reason that you need the formula, now, if the term is only like, this is considered the first, second, third, fourth, we already know that we can find fifth, sixth, and seventh, right? Because we've done that. However, if you're getting terms when it's like 99, do you want to say times 5, times 5, times 5, 90 times? No, okay? And so, somebody, I don't really know who, okay, figured out the formula for this, okay? Now, and it's not bad. You just type it in a calculator. Okay, the A stands for the first term. Okay, the R, what do you think the R stands for? What does the R stand for? What's the one vocab word we've been doing all week? Huh? The ratio. Okay? So, this is the ratio. And then the N is whatever term they're telling you to find. So, this is the one that you need to find, okay? So, this is the term, what do you want to call it? The term named? I don't know. Okay. Okay, so first things first, before you can even use the formula, the very first thing it tells us to do is find the common ratio. Okay, which you should be pretty good at by now. What is the common ratio of 13? 2. Okay, 2 times 2 is 4, times 2 is 8. So our R, or our common ratio, is 2. And now we have everything we need to use the formula. Okay, so what is our first term in the sequence? Look at your list. 2, okay? It's this one, this very first piece, that is our A. So we're gonna say 2, parenthesis, what is my R, my ratio? 2. To the N, what term are they telling us to find? Look at your problem, what's it say? Find a what? 12. So you're gonna put 12 minus 1. All of that can be typed in on your calculator. Okay, so start typing it in. If you need help, let me know and I'll show you how to type it. You have to use the parentheses. Okay, and for the power button, you're looking for the one and it looks like this and it has just like an empty box. Okay? And all of them are going to be very big numbers. Okay, you should have got what? 40,096. If you did not, please, for the love of God, raise your hand so either Miss Hanson or I can go around and help you.
I got error.
You got error. Okay, good. I mean, not good, but. Type it. Okay. That. There. Okay. So when you hit this, the 12 minus 1 goes in there.
So you don't do 11, you can't do 11, you have to do.
You can do 11, yeah. Anybody else? Need help? Okay. And that's it, okay? We found the 12th term and our common ratio, okay? Look at 15. What is the common ratio? -2, okay? See how they're alternating? That lets you know it needs to definitely be negative. So 4 times 2 is going to be 8. Okay, so what is my A? A is 4. What is my common ratio? -2. What term are they telling us to find? 10 minus 1. What'd you get for that one?
-2048.
Somebody agree?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, look at 17. What is the common ratio?
5.
Huh?
5.
3?
So, oh, no, never mind. I thought you said.
So what is my A? Hmm? 4. My ratio? 3. What term am I finding? 12 minus 1.
You get a very big number.
Yeah, a lot of this you're going to get a very big number, and that's why it's better to use the formula than trying to do it by hand, because you can't even tell on the calculator how many times you times.
Double negatives into the calculator.
this one, be 4, parentheses, -2, and that's another number. So that's the only difference. Somebody just read me the number.
390625.
Hold on. 390625.
It's a negative.
I don't feel like that's what I got.
That's wrong.
What do you got?
It's
708588.
70.
We're good.
8588. We're doing the last one, never mind, JK. My bad.
Oh, is that the last one?
Yeah.
19. What is the ratio? Huh? 5. So, what's it gonna look like?
-1, 5, 9, -1.
-1, 5,
9
9 minus 1. Okay, now, I just want you to think. What is 9 minus 1?
8.
8. It is equivalent, especially if you're using one of the older, crappier calculators that does not have the orange or green buttons. You're going to have to type it in just like this. These are the same thing, okay? So, if you're using an older calculator, you have to type it in like this. It will not work like this, okay?
Is there not